Hey everybody, it is Tom at Rip Kings. We're doing a 5-box 2013 Pastime and Shrine Edition break for Eddie. Good luck, Eddie. We're going to start going. Box number 1 coming up. Crazy's taking off. He's got to go get the wife. We'll be right back. We've got more stuff coming up. We can do whatever you guys want tonight. I've got plenty of product on hand. We do have another 10 boxes of this floating around that could be available to Rip. I just don't know if it can go tonight, though. Can it, Rip Kings? I don't think it can. All right, Eddie, here we go. This is the second 5-box. We just opened 5 boxes. Eddie, you're on the board. 100 points, bud. I don't even know what that, oh, Jesus. Here we go. Pastime Portraits. Oh, that's cool. Sparky Anderson. Did he draw it himself? Must have drew that himself. All right, here we go. Check it out. Tom Seaver for the New York Mets. 93 out of 99. Tom Seaver, nice auto right there. Heroes of Baseball. Old school upper deck. John S. Hatton was the artist. John Hatton. Here we go. Pastime Penmanship Cut Auto. 1 of 1 of Lloyd Wainer. Lloyd Wainer. I've heard the name before. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what era it's from. Sounds pretty old, that's for sure. Box 2 of 5. Is there something bonus in here? You got a bonus card in this box. Is it? I don't know if this is an autographed postcard from Cooperstown of Warren Spahn. Warren Spahn, and you'll see it's got the PSA certification on the back. This is a postcard from Cooperstown, New York. Warren Spahn. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Very nice. That was the first sketch, yes. Alright, what do we got here? 100 points. You're up to 200. Alright, here we go. For the St. Louis Cardinals, Ozzie Smith. Ozzie Smith auto from Fleer Baseball. 2002 Fleer Baseball. Ozzie Smith. Let's put the, I don't want to stack cards up on top of that. Another Tom Seaver. Tom Seaver, 1976 Topps. Tom Seaver. Is that your second Tom Seaver? Yeah, it's your second Tom Seaver. PSA DNA certified. Pack box number 3. This one's bulging at the seams as well. Yeah, they would have. All right, what do we got here? 100. Another 100 points. Another 100 points. You're up to 400 points. This time for the Yankees, Rich Gossage. This has got to be even older than the first one. 1981 Topps. Rich Goose Gossage for the Yankees. And again, for the Cardinals, 10 out of 10. Hall of Fame heroes. Lou Brock, 2005 Diamond Kings. Diamond Kings. The Cardinals and the Mets are wrapping up this entire case. Cubs did well too. Yeah, even the package, everything's better. The packaging's better. Just all around, great product. Much improvement. Well done on this product. I could be talking and hanging around doing some stuff, yes. Another 100 points. Another sketch. Mike Schmidt for the Phillies. This was drawn by Brent Norton. Norton! Come on down, I want to show you something. Didn't he used to live upstairs from Ralph Cramden? Brent Norton. Mike Schmidt. Nice card there. Well, this was the Mike Schmidt pack. Here you go. Upper Deck Legends. Mike Schmidt for the Phillies. Again. Pack number 5 coming up. And then I don't know where the night's going to take us. I'm not going to lie. We can get hopped up, make some bad decisions. I could have my mom make us some meatloaf. I don't know. I mean, we could just do whatever. Rob, do you remember his phone number? Do you remember Jackie? Do you remember Jackie Gleason's phone number in there? In that show? The Honeymooners? Another 100 points. Auto for the Twins. Harmon Killebrew. Pretty cool looking car. Ralph Cramden, the Cramdens. They have phone. Oh, what's this? 31 out of 50. Looks like it's on a glove. Gold ink. Phil Niekro. Phil Niekro, 31 out of 50 for the Atlanta Braves. So that'll do it for Eddie's 5-box break of pastime. Real quick to highlight again. Phil Niekro, 31 out of 50. Harmon Killebrew. Mike Schmidt auto. Mike Schmidt portrait. Lou Brock out of 10 for the Cardinals. Goose Gossage. Tom Seaver. Ozzie Smith. 1/1 pastime penmanship cut auto. Lloyd Wainer. Sparky Anderson. Portrait. And Tom Seaver auto. Number 2. And Warren Spahn. Auto on a postcard from Cooperstown, New York. That'll do it for Eddie's break. Thanks for coming out. www.ripkings.com. Coming up next? I don't know. We're going to find out. Have a great night, everybody.